How to remove photo-sensitive videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove photo-sensitive videos on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here you will find the profile, and now click these three lines here in top corner and click settings and privacy, and here you will find scroll down, here you will find it accessibility settings, and then this one, remove photo sensitive videos. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, turn it off, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.